So excited to share with you this ceiling fan with light. This ceiling fan with light was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have.
This is what came in the box. You have the fan blades and also the very high durable and good quality metal pieces. The light fixture. The light is an LED light. And then the flush mounted ceiling fan. It's going to be really easy to install this. I love the way that this feels. It feels so durable and I feel like it's going to be long lasting. It also comes with all of the hardware that you're going to need in order to put it up on the wall and a controller. It also came with a manual. Now you do have two different choices for the fan blade. You can have the gray maple or the black maple. It's your choice. The installation has been pretty simple with this fan. I really like the flush mounting and the very minimalist style that this fan does have. And all the metal pieces seem very durable and I feel like they're going to be long lasting. I do like the fact that this fan sits very flush with the ceiling and was easy to put all together. This 52-inch ceiling fan has 18-watt dimmable LED lights. These LED light brightness can be adjusted into 3 color temperatures. It does come with this great controller. Now this controller can control everything from the 6-speed airflow to the 3 color temperature change. It has a quiet motor and you can set it in a 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour timer. I love the fact that you can also reverse the motor, so it helps keep your house cool in the summer and into winter. This fan offers such a powerful airflow and it is so quiet. You can barely even hear it. This fan would be good in a living room, in a bedroom, in an office, anywhere you really would like a great airflow. Thanks for joining me today as I shared my thoughts and showed you the installation to this great ceiling fan with light. See you guys next time.